Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the captivating realm of the Pixel 7. Google's newest creation is causing ripples in the tech world, and we're about to unveil its remarkable features that set it apart. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. Hey, if you're enjoying what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's the best way to stay connected and catch all our future goodies. Thanks for being part of the fun. There you have it, a deep dive into the incredible features of the Pixel 7. From its captivating display, powerful performance, and exceptional camera prowess, Google has truly outshone themselves. If your excitement matches mine, spread the love by liking, sharing with friends, commenting your thoughts, and subscribing for more tech explorations. Thanks for being here today, and until next time, keep your curiosity alive as we continue to explore the realm of innovation.